In this video, I'm going to unbox and review EasySMX wireless gaming headset. So make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. So first of all, this headset has a 40mm microphone. It is wireless and wired. 360 rotating cups, RGB lighting on the ear cups. So you can use it with PS4, PC, Xbox One, and you can use the wired connection to connect it to any other devices. Pretty nice looking headset. It's kind of heavy, I like it. And we have the USB transmitter that you need to connect to your console or PC. Mic attachment in the box. This is actually good because the mic is detachable. So if you need it or when you don't need it, you can just detach it. USB type A to micro USB for charging the headset. A wired 3.5mm jack when you want to connect your headset without the wireless function. The cushions are pretty soft and high quality, and also on the top I see that they are well built. The quality is good. It's built from metal, it's not all plastic, and the ear cups are actually moving around just to make it more comfortable on your ears. On the left side we have the mute and unmute button, and also the volume control, and also a jack for the microphone that I'm gonna install right now so you guys can see better. And on the right side we have a LED button just to, I guess, control the lighting. Power button so you can turn on and off the headset itself. I usually have the glasses. This is really important for me to be able to use the headset with my glasses. This is the look on my ear. It feels comfortable. The cushions are pretty soft. There is no software. I'm assuming it's just a plug and play. So the button is only just to turn on and off the LEDs. It doesn't change the color or anything. Just trying a random YouTube video. This is actually a pretty nice audio quality that I'm getting from this headset. Right now I'm just listening to the YouTube video and the guy is just talking. The audio goes really loud, but it doesn't distort or anything. So very good audio comes out of this headset. As you can see, I'm just using the wireless connection. That's pretty impressive, and I'm not noticing any lag. Really low slightly, but generally I don't see any problem using this headset from day to day because you don't have the wired connection or anything. So good audio quality and no lag. So I'm just gonna try and listen to a music or something to see how the music sound. Nice. Okay. Wow. And music sounds very well as well. I wasn't expecting this to be this good. Audio quality is pretty decent in this headset. The bass is good, the vocals are good as well. In that price range, I think this is considered a premium headset, so it is expected to be good. You lock it in place and you bring it front. From now on, I'm just gonna use the mic on this headset, so we're switching from the studio mic to the headset mic. Right now I'm using the headset mic. I raised the level to 100% just to get enough gain in the microphone so I can actually hear myself. This mic is equipped with a noise gate, and that means is when you don't speak, it will cut off the audio, and when you start speaking, it will start transmitting. Right now, if I just don't say anything, you might notice that the audio is gonna cut off. Okay, and when I'm talking, it will start transmitting the audio. There's a lot of background noise that I could hear using this mic. I don't feel that this is a really good quality mic, but I think for like gaming and regular communication, it will work fine. It's just something that comes extra with this headset. It's not the best, and it's not the worst quality of the microphone. I don't use any filters. It's just the raw input of this mic, and that's what you guys are hearing right now. Now I switch back to the studio mic right now. I really like the audio. I like the quality build. The cushions are soft and actually comfortable on your head. It's pretty good quality. It made out of the metal and the plastic. They also have the RGB. The RGBs are not so bright. The only downside of this headset is the mic. The mic has a lot of background noise and the gain is not really high, so you need to put it at the 100% to gain the level, and you can just detach it, use it when you need it, and don't use it when you just want to listen to the audio or stuff like that. But the good thing about this headset is there's no lag, so you can use it wirelessly, just move it around with no problem. There's no cable. Also, they included the cable. If you want the wired connection to your phone or something, you can use it as well. Just let me know if you have any question in the comment section and I will answer it to the best of my knowledge. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.